Well, welcome back to the Undervalued Investor YouTube channel, where today we're giving insights on Nvidia stock, which has skyrocketed this year thanks to the AI boom. But we want to discuss this pivotal earnings that's coming up on August 23rd. We're going to read into some of the analyst expectations and look at some of the recent news that's really helped propel this company. If that is a conversation you'd appreciate, as always, hit that like button. But getting into it, first and foremost, let's talk about the stock itself, which is trading up 218% year to date with a wicked valuation, trading at a 235 times multiple as it stands today. And it's hard to tell, as many analysts and bears are expecting this to be kind of a bubble-based territory thanks to overhype in this artificial intelligence story that's been really pushing a lot of the AI stocks. The question is it going to correct? Is it going to sustain? What can earnings tell us? Well, in the past, we've seen quite a few quarters of declining revenue growth coming out of this company, as we have many of the major tech companies. But thanks to AI, thanks to cloud computing, and many of the largest tech companies from Amazon to Meta, they are using a huge amount and have put massive orders in for these chips that Nvidia sells. And just taking a look at some of the analyst expectations, the low estimate set at $1.76 with high estimates around $2.36. The average is $2.07 per share. These numbers are pretty high all in all, and they're expected to go up pretty dramatically year over year thanks to this recent cycle of what they're selling. And kind of reading into these cutting edge chips, this is a fascinating article. They're saying training generative AI models like ChatGPT requires thousands of the fastest graphic processing units. With 88% of the GPU market, Nvidia's cutting edge chips are enabling the AI boom as its industry struggles to keep up with exploding demand. Nvidia's flagship AI chip, the H100, has been fetching $40,000 on eBay, well over its retail price. After touching a $1 trillion market cap in May, the company announced that an even more powerful GPU-CPU combo chip, the GH200, named after the computing pioneer Grace Hopper, has entered full production. Meanwhile, Nvidia's new supercomputer cloud service lets anyone train their own AI models for just under $37,000 per month. That is absolutely staggering to pay that kind of a subscription. But again, we're talking about really expensive chips that, yes, are fetching absurd numbers on eBay. Here we can see the H100 and 80 gig Nvidia deep learning GPU selling for $45,000 or best offer. I'm not exactly sure who's willing or comfortable to pay for these unless you have some kind of crazy amount of data that like Tesla or Google are trying to attain through their, Tesla's trying to build out all their visual data from their self-driving cars. Google's obviously got YouTube, Google search. They have so many realms of information they could use to leverage a lot of this. And that's why they're putting in these massive orders. But I will pass the question off to you. Do you think this is going to be a bubble? Do you think a lot of this has been priced into the stock at this point? A lot of bears are expecting about a 20% correction in the stock, bringing it back down probably closer to the $400 mark. Or do you think it could sustain this current price and even move higher if it beats earnings expectations? I'd love to know what you think in that comment section below.